CSS. I think we have little understanding about CSS in the last class also we talked about. So in this class,
Sir, actually, screen is not sharing.
oh, one second, one second. Now visual.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now it should.
No.
No, sir.
No, why? Why? Yes, yes. Sorry guys, now I think it should be visual.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the last class we have seen some HTML CSS and in this session we are going to some little more understanding about CSS, how we can implement in our pages. So I think we are already familiar with the external, internal, and inline CSS, right?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion on this using external, internal CSS?
No, sir.
Guys, raise your hand if you have any confusion. I will again repeat this one. How to use inline, external, internal CSS. Internal, external, inline. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If anybody had any questions regarding how to use external, inline, and please share, raise your hand. So just recap. I can see many people are hesitant to respond. So I'm just recapping this one. What type of CSS is this?
Inline CSS.
Inline CSS.
Inline CSS.
What type of this one?
Internal.
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 Internal. Where is that demo? Okay, this way the file. I think it's wrong place. And I have this CSS and I'm using. Now tell me what I have to, how to use the CSS file. Can anybody
Link.
help? Link.
Link. REL.
Then
HRF.
href.
RL.
then the CSS style,
Standard CSS.
right? So will this work?
Actually, relation part, sir.
Yeah, relation. What we write? Type here.
Style sheet.
Style sheet.
Style sheet. Correct. So I have given you 3 examples. So again I reiterate. This is
Inline
this
CSS.
is inline because I am writing directly to the HTML element. This is internal. I am writing
Yes, sir.
within the style tag. And this is
Done.
External.
external because this is in a file system, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the external, internal, inline, right? Already have seen this one, already have seen this one, already seen this one. Now, multiple style sheets. So this is also something like that. I have my this included. Suppose that I am not using any inline. So if I am using external and also including this one, so this is as the name suggests, this is known as the multiple style sheets, right? So I am including external one and I am writing one, my CSS inline also. Now, whenever you write some CSS class, you can put some comments. How can you put the comment? Like here you can put the comment like this one, right? This is body background CSS, right? Similarly, if you are internal CSS, external CSS using, and if you want to put some comment, this CSS class is for align text in center. So this is how you can put your some comments in CSS. So in the that internal one you can also put that like this, and external same way you can put the comments. So till now how many types of comments you learned? In HTML, how you can put the comments?
Exclamatory mark, 2 hyphens.
This, right?
Yes, sir.
This is body tag, or you can say start, right? Here you can write, or just body start, body end. So this body is very meaningful, so you do not need to write for this. But when your HTML page is too longer, like your design you're creating for the home page is too longer, how will you identify that what section of the HTML code what doing? So in that scenario, you should put your comments.
Comments.
Yeah. So this is something multi-line you can do like this. Multi-line is same way. Like this is multi-line. In 2 lines. So slash forward slash star and star forward slash is creating a comment for the CSS, and this bracket, you can say whatever this arrow and exclamation and hyphen and then hyphen closing. This comments is used for HTML. So now it's clear. HTML and CSS comments, you know how you can put comments.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now we will learn some practice how you can implement different types of attributes and their properties in CSS, right? Like here, one example I have given is the CSS colors. So how can you implement colors using CSS? So you see, I have one h1 tag. I'm writing some h1 tag here, or h1, right? Then I'm writing h2, h2, and then p tag also it's used here. Let me use here only. So if you're writing inline, I'm just giving you some idea how colors work. So if you're writing inline, it's not recommended for demo purpose. I'm saying background color, whatever the color I'm giving, aqua, hello India, right? Here style, color, blue. So see what this property is doing. You see, one was h1 background color. Actually this background color body I have given now. So let me comment it out. Right? Someone, there is noise from someone. Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. So what background color is doing here in h1 tag? Background to the complete h1, right? So we are talking about these colors, right?
Yes, sir.
So you see, I did some change, how I can put the background color and only color. So in different way you can use this color. Like h1 you can put the color, p tag you can put the color, then you can put some border to this, like here style border 2 pixels solid tomato, right here written. This is the h1, and instead of this I can put here border 2 pixel, right? Border 2 pixel, then I'm giving solid, then some tomato color I'm giving, right? So if you see, I'm putting some border here, right? So you can take the advantage of color in different way. You can put the color on the font, you can put color to the background, you can put color to the border. So these are the different implementation of colors. Like this is another H1 style. It's giving border 2 pixel and giving color this dozer blue, and another pixel then giving color, right? So hope you are clear about using color. Till now you are just using color for the text. Now here if you see, I can give color to the background and give color to the border as well. Now you see background color. Now CSS background. So what is the meaning of CSS background? So background, maybe I want to put the background color, background image, background repeat, background attachment, background position, and background only. I can write the background. Then how it works? See here. Like see body, I think we have already seen this one. Background color I have given to the body. This one. This is the background color, right? This is H1 background color. This is div. Div is another way to, it's another HTML element in it to hold the elements or data or information. So we write like this, right? Hello world. So mostly div will be used in if you see the advanced HTML or see anywhere, table T or TD are very less used, but div are in, most of the use are in div. So you can put here the style, background, color, whatever color you want to put here, right? I've not given any size, that's why it's not visible. So you see here, hello world, and there is a background color of the div also.
Yes, sir.
Background color of p tag, and then here is one thing, opacity. Anybody can tell me what is opacity? Any idea about opacity?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Opacity.
Opacity, sir, actually used for just like a board. Right, sir.
Okay. So
Make it reduce the color fade.
yes, exactly. So here I have written background echo marine, right? Instead of that I'm writing green, right? Then I'm writing opacity, right? And
Okay, sorry.
by default opacity is 1, right? So if you see the page, this is green is coming, right? Hello world and background color is green. Now if I make is 0.5, let us see what is happening. Little faded, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I do 0.2, more faded. So whatever the div I am setting the opacity, how much opaque this one. So it's vary between 0 to 1 opacity. Here is the one thing, till now you're writing background color opacity. If you are separately you're writing giving the properties, you have to write the background color, but here if you see, you have written just background, then RGBA 01280 0.3. What is the meaning?
To make the text transparent.
So here if I put this here, and I'm putting one class here, dot bg class, right? Now I'm using this instead of style, right? You see this one, 0.3, 0.8, control it from here. But here is one interesting, here given RGBA. What is the meaning of this RGBA? Anybody?
Red, green, blue.
Yeah, RGB. So basically when you are writing giving color, either you can write the RGBA or in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means has FF0000, right?
Yes, sir.
Or HTML5 is also supporting name. So what is that RGBA? Somewhere you see color only I'm writing red, right? Because HTML5 supports that if write name, it understands that what is the color code of this. Sometimes you see the color code like this, right?
Yes, sir.
And sometimes RGBA 0,255, something like this. So in HTML5 both all three supports. What is the meaning of this? It's a combination of this is F. So start from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
White
0.
and black,
Sorry?
maybe. Combination of white and black.
No. It's a combination of not white and black. It's a this is R, this is G, this is blue. Means red, green, blue, right?
Yes.
So hexadecimal numbers start from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hexadecimal means 16 numbers. These are the numbers for hexadecimal, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like decimal we have 0 to 9. Binary we have, what are the numbers in binary?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. What are the numbers in octal? 0,
0 to 7.
Yeah. But in hexadecimal, it's into N and then start from A, B, C, D, E, F. So this color code 000 start So this combination, this 0 can be 1, 2, 3 up to 9 to ABCD, any number. This one, also this one, also this one, also this one, and also this one, right? One combination will be 0, 1. One combination can be 0, 2, 0, 3. It will reach up to FF. Similarly, this will reach to FF. So you can imagine how many numbers of combination of this can be formed, right? This is one color, black, and all are F. What is this color? This is black. If all are 0.
All F's white.
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 White, right. Between them all color exists, right? Sometimes it will be like FF 0, 0, 0, 0. What will be this color? Red. Sometimes possibility that there will be 0, 0, FF 0, 0. What will be this color? Green. Sometimes there will be 0, 0, 0, then FF. What will be this color?
Blue.
Blue, right? And keep varying these numbers, different colors you can get, right? Clear now this hexadecimal notation of the colors. Now if you same color, this is the hexadecimal styling, hexadecimal. Now if you're writing in terms of RGBA, it will be like this 0, 0, 0 to RGB till 25, 25, 25. So it will start from here and here. So this will be one combination if hexadecimal. If you're writing a RGBA code, this will be start from here to till here. This will be black, this will be white. So both way you can use the color code, either use this one or this one. So this color code is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anybody any confusion in understanding this color code? No? Good. So I was showing this one. If you are writing just background, then you have to give the color this way, and this is the opacity. This is another way of writing the same thing. Background image. I think many people already use this one, but whoever not understood this one, this is the way to use the background. Body, I've given color, instead of color I want to use background image, right? And how you can write URL, and here you have to give path. Suppose I am giving this background, maybe some issue in access, so I am using this one, image, images, then test, you see, this is the background. So I can put the body background in that way. Similarly, you can give background image to p tag also, like this, right? Here is the background image I have given, and then I'm telling that background repeat X. Background repeat in X. What it means? Anybody can tell me what is the meaning of the repeat X?
It will repeat the image horizontally.
Horizontally, exactly. Well said. So now you see only horizontally this is repeated, not here, right? To fill the screen. Y. What will happen in Y? In this way?
Yes, sir.
No repeat. What will happen? No repeat.
It won't repeat the image.
Yes, only one image will come, right? Once doesn't matter it's filling the complete page or not, it will come once only. I'm not repeating either in X or in Y. No repeat clear. So here is another thing. Background image, repeat, no repeat, and position. I'm giving some position. Right now, by default, the position of the image is top left, right? This is top left. Now, background position top right. See what happens. Top bottom. Oh, I think top bottom is not something like that. Top right is there. Oh, what is the meaning of top bottom? It's meaningless. Bottom right. Bottom right is coming very strange. Bottom left. This is coming like this. The picture bottom is coming basically. So you can position your picture top right. Then anybody could tell me what is background attachment? Any idea?
Fixed or scroll.
Yes. Background attachment fixed. Background attachment is scroll. So here I've given the position top right and then giving background attachment. Background attachment fixed. Basically that will be more visible in if image is larger, right? Or if I write here scroll, actually image is smaller. If this image is larger then it will start to scroll. You will be able to scroll the background, right? So if you want to create add a background and you want to give the effect of a scrolling, put here background attachment scroll. Note, you have to just put here fixed. try with some bigger picture and show me whenever you get chance. Similar both the things, and this is one shorthand writing. If you see here, instead of writing this in this way for these 3 lines, you see short notation in the shorthand. This will be written like in one line, this one, this way. Which one is easier or looks taking less space? Background, definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here I am giving the color, then putting some image, no repeat, top right. So if I use this one here, so in CSS you see most of the time this is type of writing, right? Same thing it's doing, but this is in short notation. For this one I have written this one. One thing is the background color is also there. Background color was this. So for this 4 line, there is a one liner: background, color, image, no repeat, right top. So this is another shorthand writing of this number of lines of CSS code into one line. Now we can have different types of borders as well. So how many border type are there? You see, dotted, dash, solid, double group, reach, inset, outset, none, hidden, mix. So you can try this one. So please first can you try these borders on your any HTML like p tag, s tag, h1p, and show and tell me is that working or not. Basically this is the class name. I'm just giving one example so that you will have some clear picture. This is the style, this is given. Then I'm writing p dotted. I'm creating here one class dotted, right? Dotted means I'm giving here border style dotted, border style dotted, right? And if you use here you see something happen here,
Yes, sir.
border dotted.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, one second. Similarly, you can have these various types of borders. Just try by yourself. Try like dashed, solid, double, group, reach, insert, and see what is happening. Who is trying? Who is trying? No one?
Yes, sir, we're trying.
Okay, great. So let me keep showing this one. I think this is clear. You can try and see, right? This is another type of like you want to put style as well as you want to give some width. So you can use this one, like a style solid, width medium, a style dotted, and you want to give width 2 pixel, a style dotted, and you want to put the width thick. Clear this one?
Done, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is little different here? I've given border style solid, but border width I've given 5 pixel and 20 pixel. Previously I was giving only one value, 5 pixel, right? Now I am giving two values as a width. So what it will do, 5 pixel top and bottom and 20 pixel left and
On
right.
the sides.
Yeah, both sides, left and right. Like this, let's see one example. Like, let me make it solid. Right? Then I'm giving here border width. Border width. I'm giving 5 pixel, then 20 pixels, suppose that. Then if I see, you see this one, this is 5 pixel border, but this border is
20 pixel.
20 pixel. So this way you can have different border width. Similarly here, I've just reversed, right? Also there is, you can give separate border width, all 4 borders. How? This is 5, this is 20 pixel, then 30 pixel. So all 4 sides will have different width of the border. See this one. First was 5 pixel top, then 10 pixel. This one 10 pixel top, right, then bottom. This one, then left. This one. So the order written here is top, right, top, right, bottom, left. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So always keep mind.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. Always keep in mind this order. And see, if you also see this, it has 4 values. They set the top, right, bottom, left, in that order, right? So this is done. Then definitely you can give some color to the border also, right? So here I've given then border color, suppose that I'm giving red, right? You see border color. So this way you can give color to the borders. Also there is chance that you can have different styles of different borders, right? Like if you see here, border top style dotted, border right style solid, border bottom style dotted, border left style solid, right? So this, how this is working. See this one, dotted top, this is dotted, then solid, right is solid, then bottom dotted, then left solid. So this way you can have a different style to the different side borders. And also you can, in one line shorthand, you can write like this: border 5 pixel solid red, border left 5 pixel solid red, border bottom 5 pixel solid red. So in short term you can also write like this one. Now here see one interesting fact about the borders. Border is 2 pixel solid red. I'm writing here border 2 pixel solid red. This one. Now you see another parameter was there. What was that? Border radius. So Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of this border radius?
It will make the border rounder from the sides.
Corners.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, the corners.
Right? So border radius, I'm giving 5 pixel. You see little curve now created here. It's now little smoother than this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to give some border and you want to make it look some better, you should put some radius. Now margin. This is something before coming into this margin, let me show you one picture here. What is the meaning of this margin, border, padding, content? CSS Box Model. So let me give you some one note. Through one note, this will be more able to understand. Whenever you create a H1 or there is a div, if you give some border to the content, it will have some boundary and then some text, right? It will take some space now. Any element, it takes some space. And if,
Yes.
if you put any border, it will show the what is the border of that element, that HTML element. So what was the first one? Content. So here is the content. Then there is a padding. You see this padding. What is the meaning of padding? This is the border. And if you are giving some padding, it means you are giving some space here. You are increasing some, giving some space, and here and here, here and here you can give some space. So border will be, suppose it you have given some 10 pixel here. So it will now look like this. Still there will be border text. So padding is always within the element and its border, right?
Right, sir.
This is padding. Another is, you see, border. So this is the border. You can give any size like 5. By default, it displays some 1 pixel border it displaying, right? So what about the width? You can give 5 pixel. It will show some broader, like more broader border, right?
Yes, sir.
Now another point is margin. What is the meaning of margin? So this is your screen, browser, right? And suppose that here you are showing an element and which is some border, content, right? And if you are showing border, it look like this. So margin is, this element is within the browser na, body tag. I have not given any element, so this is under body tag na.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
So margin is, if you are giving 10 pixel here, margin 10 pixel, it's the distance between this element border to the where this element exists,
Web
right?
page.
On the page, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the margin. So margin is always outside of the element, and padding is
Inside.
Always inside the element.
yeah, inside the element. So I think you are much clear about difference between
Margin and padding.
Margin and lots of people, lots of students keep confusing this margin and padding, right? So I have now you have clear picture. You will never forget what is margin and padding is. So this was the screen. This is known as the box model. Right. So we are here. So what is the meaning of margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left? So let us see one example here. I'm including both the classes. So it's looking like this, right? Now I'm writing something margin top 20 pixel. See what is happening. You see change?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Margin 14 pixel. You see change?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm great. Now I am margin left. I'm giving 60 pixel. You see what happened?
Yes, sir.
So clear now about the margin, how margin is all about its parent element, right?
Yes, sir.
We have another div here. And I'm using two, making it 255, right? And then I'm not writing anything. Green. Then suppose it this one. You see something? What I did?
Yes, sir.
Here, one second. I have used another class, two. See, right now this class has some margin, right? BG class has margin top and left, na? Now if I
Yes, sir.
give same to this class, see what is happening. So internal div is taking which reference? To give margin. Tell me fast. Hello India has some margin on the basis of body or hello world?
Hello world.
Hello world. Hello world, if I am giving margin to hello world div, it's taking the body as a reference, right?
Yes, sir.
But hello India is inside hello world. So if I am giving margin to this hello India, it's looking into the only hello world. It's nothing to do with the body. It's not changing body.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I give here margin bottom 40 pixel, you see, margin right 60 pixel. You see something?
Yes, sir.
Guys, this is very, very important. You should be very much clear on this, how this margin is working. So, if you're giving margin to any element, it will look into the parent element. So, hello world is the parent element of hello India. Good. Now we are talking about I think margin is all clear, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
great. This is something shorthand. Instead of writing margin top, left, right again, you can write like this: 25 pixel, 20 pixel, 7500 means top, right, bottom, left. The same you looked earlier, na? Padding one.
Yes, sir.
Same. Either you can write this or you write like this. So in one line, how I can write this one? Margin. First is top, then
Right.
then
Bottom.
then
Left.
So instead of writing these 4 lines, I can have this in one line, and same output, So this is the shorthand writing. All good then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now suppose that margin value is only 25 pixel. What it meaning? What is the meaning of I have only 25
On
pixel?
all side, it will be 25 pixel.
Yes. Then all 4 margins are 25 pixel. Then there is padding. So I've already told you about padding in that diagram I've shown you. Padding is inside, right? So this was my output. If I give some padding to this one, what it's little sticky na to the border.
Yes, sir.
So how I can make it little give some space? How I can give?
By
By
using
adding padding.
Using padding. So right now I can give padding to the left and top to this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So this was the class. So padding top I'm giving 20 pixel. Then padding left 20 pixel, right? Let us see. Looks better.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not affected this one because this is another class this one using. So for this I can write here padding. Now there is also short notation for this one. So in short notation how I can write padding wide. What is the error here? Can anyone tell me? What is the error? What I'm missing?
So margin semicolon.
Yeah, here I have semicolon, right? Correct. So padding I wanted to give top. Suppose that 30 pixel I'm giving. So top and bottom. If I'm giving only two, top and bottom, and 30 pixel. Only if I'm giving two, what is the meaning if I'm giving two only? Writing padding and giving two values only. Anybody?
Top right.
So
So top, bottom, and right, left.
yes. This is top, bottom, and this is right, left. So you see something coming better. Let's make its color white, right? Now it's coming better. So always try to play with the margin and padding. This is the way. I hope you understood both about margin and padding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is something you were learning first time, or you had learned already some confusion, or can anyone tell me this is helpful to you? I wanted to show the. Raise your hand if this is helpful to you. This padding and margin understanding. Great. So Ansika, Purva, Kesu, okay. What about Amisha, Apurva, Kesu, Pragati, Priya Haris and Priya Pita? Tell me. I want to make sure if people are watching and able to and learning.
Yes, sir, we have understood it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes,
Great,
sir.
Apurva. Amisha. I want to hear from Amisha. Keshu.
Sir.
Yeah, good. Pragati. Priya.
Yes, sir.
Priya Haris. Okay, great. Okay, this is something, see, if you're working on pages and web design, this is this padding and top padding and margin is always in use. So you should be very much clear about this. So this is the something padding you're writing. It's clear, na? If this is written like this, top, right, bottom, left, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now this is CSS height and width. So you can give a height and width of any div only also, right? Suppose that this is something, it's a new thing. I'm giving this one. This was the div, and suppose that I'm giving some height 200 pixel, width 50%. What it's mean by 15%? You see, what is the meaning of 50% here? Anybody? No?
50% of the window.
50% of the window, right? Now, here I am giving a width 50%. What it means? You see? What is the meaning of 50% of this?
50% of the hello world section.
Yeah, 50% of the hello world section. So it always look into where this element is. This is who is the parent of this element.
Yes, sir.
So these are some conceptual idea, logical idea you should have, that how, in which, what is the reference. Here the reference for this is our browser window. Here internal this div has what reference is this hello world window. So this is something about the height. And definitely we can give some background color, or it's our choice. This already we explained, right? So some points are still pending right now, and we'll take break at 1 p.m. right, in 5 minutes. Break for 30 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me if you have any question, any query. If you have, ask me. So in the 5 minutes, just quick create 2 divs, and can you implement some margin and padding, how it's working? Just try by yourself.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'm audible, sir.
Sorry?
I'm audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible, Bullet.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, sure. Please.
Actually, sir, I want to know difference about pixel, like 50px, just like, and RAM and percentage.
See, Rem, I'll tell you later. Right now, let me just understand about pixel, right? And
Okay, sir.
percentage. So, this is my note, right? See here. This is your browser.
Yes, sir.
Right? Then, so every screen has some resolution, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose that this resolution is 1033. So if you are creating a div, writing a div and giving width equal to 100 pixel, right? So this is 1033 pixel. So
Yes, sir.
so probably that div will be displayed maybe till here.
Yes, sir.
This is a 100 pixel,
100.
right?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Now you are telling width equal to 25%, right? So
Yes.
25% means one is that you are giving fixed width. So some screen will have 1033 width, some will have 1200, some will have 1500 width of a screen, right? Different laptop, different size laptop have different width of their screen.
Yes, sir.
So whether it's your screen is smaller or larger, it will only come if you're fixing the pixel, it will display like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you are giving width instead of pixel, you are giving 25%.
Percent.
So what it will do, browser will look into the resolution of the screen where the website is loading, and suppose that width 25% will come around 250 something, 255 something, right?
Right, sir.
Here it will come around 300. Here it will come around 375,
Okay.
right? So percentage mean wherever this element will be loaded in the browser, it will look into the total width of the screen and calculate the percentage of that total screen.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
REM is little different. I'll tell you later on later session on that. But try to understand the difference between pixel and
Yes,
this
sir. I understand.
percentage. Anybody any question on this percentage and width? This is very important question, Bullet. I appreciate you ask this.